Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Pova 6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. Started. You will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Now, make sure you swipe from the right side of the screen, as this brings the toggles down. And somewhere here, we should have a screen recording toggle. You might need to swipe down on this area right here to extend it, and this will reveal the screen recording toggle. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will ask for permission to microphone, as it does allow us to record sounds to microphone. And I'm gonna select while using the app, and this brings up the side panel right here. Now, to begin recording, you'll want to click on the red circle, and you can also, before that, go into the settings just so we can see how it is set by default, and maybe change it if you find the, for instance, video resolution to be low or whatever. Anyway, from there we're going to begin the recording. Now to stop it, click on the red square, and this will save your screen recording into your Photos application, or AI gallery as it's called right here. Let's also close this, and you can see it right here under Today. So this is the screen recording, but you also might have an easier time navigating into the albums later on and finding the album called Screen Recordings, in which you will find, as the name would imply, screen recordings. So there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.